In this video, you are going to see how to insert word art in Google Slides. Let's get started. Let us go to Insert, click on Word Art. Let me write the text here. If you want multiple lines, you may use Shift plus Enter. Now let us hit the Enter button. Click on the word art. From here, you can change the fill color. Let us choose this color. If you want, you may add the border color. If you want to change the border white, you can change it from here. Go to over here, you can change the font. Let us choose this one. Let me select it and place it like this. If you want to add the effect, click on over here, go to Format option. Let us choose this option, Drop Shadow. Click on this small arrow key. You can increase or decrease the opacity and the angle. Even you can increase the distance and you can change the blur, and this is looking very perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.